Adding social icons for logging in with social accounts. So as you already know, Icon Finder is a free tool to find some of the icons for free. But you should keep in mind that about a licenses. In this case, it's a Creative Commons Attribution 3.0 imported. So we open up our license and we see that what we can do and what we cannot do. So we need to give an appropriate credit for the creator and the creator for these amazingly looking icons. And I mean, they're just awesome. You can see that a lot of different of them. And they are created by Neil Hemsworth. It's his page of Icon Finder, and you can see more about him in his own web page. He's really an amazing designer, and we should thank him for these icons, so we didn't need to create them by our own. So go to Icon Finder, search for the social icons, vector icons, I don't know, something like this. And then you found it, pay attention to license. If it's Creative Commons Attribution 3.0 imported, give it an appropriate credit for the creator, for the designer, like you should. And to download it, just press on PNG. PNG is just a transparent image without the background. Download PNG image. You can also set the size. Well, maybe 64 is going to be enough for our app. Download PNG image for the Facebook and download PNG image for the Twitter. Drag them on our document. You can see it's smaller one. We probably could download it a bigger one, right? So we messed it up. So download 128 Twitter and 128 PNG image. It's Twitter. Press enter. And this one is a Facebook one. So we need, first of all, what we need to do is to resize them. Make it probably like this one, so the user could actually press on it. If you're using Photoshop CC 2014, you can see that we got this pink line, which appears to help you see what position is going to use. So last thing what we need to do is to change the color of the icons. Just double click on it, color overlay, grab the color of the white. Same for the Facebook one, grab the white. Okay. Looks amazing, and probably we need to add a simple line about them, alright? So we could, yeah. So grab a line tool, this one, hold down the shift key on your keyboard and drag it over like this. Make the fill of the white, and where we have it. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, that's it. So that's it. We have our login screen created for our Newly app. Does it look great? Does it look terrible? I don't know, but in my opinion it looks kind of okay. If you have some critique to give me, please say so in the discussion section or on my Twitter account at DamonTestBrand. So in the next section, we are going to create our topics category screen design, and it's going to be awesome. See ya there.